my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get you a little bit of the box action. This is, as you guys know by this box, we've seen this 1,000 times. I'm just finishing up the collection. I think it's one more I got somewhere around here. This is the Superstar Arizona Iced Tea Chalk White, and Chalk White. But you know that's not what it is. Alright, this is not a popular version. I think I got this shoe, I don't know, I think I paid like 20 bucks, 30 bucks for this. I had a coupon and it was on sale, so I said I might as well finish the collection. I got both of the unpopular ones. So I think it was a 4-shoe collaboration. You guys can go back and check my videos for the other Arizona shoes. Make sure you guys go through all my shoe backlog. The materials on this shoe are the same as the other ones. They're pretty decent materials. They stand up. You see the Arizona licensing all over the shoe. They come with black laces in the shoe. You get an extra pair of white laces. As you guys already know, Adidas doesn't put them in the bag. Except for this pair, you get the Arizona Iced Tea laces inside of an Arizona Iced Tea bag. And of course, you guys know you get the Have an Ice Day bottom with the Adidas and Arizona branding on it, on the translucent bottom. Trying to get you guys some light action if the light doesn't want to cut on. There we go. See the little translucent bottom. Have a nice day. And on this side, you get the Adidas logo and the Arizona Iced Tea logo. This is really a hood shoe. If you're from the hood, you're drinking this Arizona iced tea all the time, I guess, especially in summertime. You get the Have a Nice Day lace locklet, classic shell toe front. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you get a kind of runny, it's like Adidas is dripping the Arizona iced tea off the logo. Cherry blossoms, as you guys know. This is some type of Native American Arizona. It's on the iced tea can. Have a nice day. On the back of the shoe, that's their slogan. That's Arizona. It's just an overall good shoe. Got to be, like I said, hood to appreciate it. So you get the dripping Arizona logo there. And like I said, you get the iced tea, what they call it, the green tea or cherry blossom laces. Let you guys get a side silhouette. Get your light off. It's a good shoe. Like I said, they might still be on sale. Especially if you got an Adidas coupon. I can't really see why you would pass these up. Make sure you go and pick them up, guys. And make sure you have an ice day. Alright, let's get on with the next shoe. Alright, guys, let's get on with this next shoe. I haven't even taken it out of the box. Let me get you guys a little bit of box action. First, let me show you what it is. They put it in this little special box. I got a pair of these signed by Jay-Z, Beyonce, and Blue. Supposedly, this isn't that pair. So it better come in a better box than that. If it doesn't, I don't know what it is, but check it out, guys. Get you a little bit more label action again. Get you a little box action. Got these for Adidas Week. Thank you, Adidas. They gave me multiple pairs, and I bought some pairs because you guys know I like to have a additional pair. This is the Adidas Ivy Park Forum Mids. High sell, and dust purple. Let's check it out. Oh man, yeah, this isn't bad. I'm gonna take them out. Take the box down for a second. So get you guys some full shoe unboxing. It comes, the shoes come in the dust bag, as you can see. Like I said, I haven't even taken them out. It's like the Bad Bunnies. If you guys didn't hit on the Bad Bunnies, this is how the Bad Bunnies, you know, that little dust bag and everything. Let's open opened it up. Take one of these bad boys out. I don't want to rip nothing. This is my first time taking them out of the bag. So bear with me, guys. Get the box back up here so you get some good action. I got this shoe mainly, like I said, because I had some other pairs, and it reminds me of the Jordan 1 KO. That's one of my favorite Jordans because it's made out of the canvas material like this shoe. See, the shoe kind of looks aged, looks kind of weird. They need to put some filler into that toe box before they ship it, but it's okay. Something might happen if they fill up the toe box. But don't give me an expensive dust bag and all that other stuff. When I take the shoe out, it's empty. I might have did that. I might have yanked the paper out, but I doubt it. Like I said, the quality of this shoe is outstanding. It's like a higher quality Jordan KO. It's very weird. It's very weird. Nike, you got to do something. Adidas is on your heels, Jordan. You're making the forums come dead at you. Then you get some type of weird. We're gonna call this the root beer bottom. It's not a gum bottom, but it's not normal. It feels like sticky and spongy too. Oh man, it's a good bottom, but definitely gonna need to put something on there. Don't let that hit the ground by itself. Let's get this 360 with the light on for you guys. Like I said, the materials and construction of this shoe is outstanding. Like I said, if you're a fan of Jordan KOs and Adidas forums, you have to get a pair of these. Doesn't look like you could take the strap off, but it has a pretty decent strap on there. A lot of people don't like the strap around their ankle. But overall, like I said, in my opinion, the shoe isn't bad. I'll give you some top action as well before I give you a little bit more bottom action. Then we'll give you one more 360. That shoe has a little bit of strange lacing. And as you can see on the tongue, it doesn't say Adidas on the tongue. It says Ivy Park for Beyonce. Blue Ivy and the family. Hope you guys are doing well. I got a little bit of stuff on the front of my shoe. I don't know how some stuff got on the shoe and it was in the dust bag in the box. But I can't get a pair of shoes that come perfect. I always got to clean them before I wear them. But I do that anyway. So let me know what you guys think about these Adidas forums, Ivy Parks. Did you get a pair? Are you getting a pair? Are you interested in getting a pair? Alright guys, let's get on with the next shoe. Alright, we're going to bust this last shoe down. On the box, you guys could already tell we're going to get you some box action. Like I said, I told everybody who's waiting on the Simpsons, 100% Simpsons shoe video, just hold on a little bit. I'm getting more Simpsons shoes in every day. I'm getting everything together. I might have to break the video down because I don't want to make it too long, but you guys can see the new Adidas Simpsons box. It's absolutely outstanding. It's not as good as the one they just had with the last batch of shoes, but this is I don't know how popular these shoes are, and I don't know if I'll ever wear them. This is the Adidas Grand Court El Bartos. No, I don't even think there's no colorway on the box. This says tennis. It's too small, guys, but it's basically saying this is El Barto Simpson collaboration shoe, which is basically it. You know, like I said, this style of Adidas might not be popular, but I'm getting into more loungewear as my money increases. I got to start going to all of these new places, boats and marinas and stadiums and all this other stuff where you got to kind of have more relaxed dress code so still keep it kind of out there. So I'm going to be getting like El Bartos and the Ned Flanders, and I got some Pradas and some Gucci shoes, but man, them shoes so expensive I don't even know if I could wear them. They're more than a car they want you to put on your feet, for some people's car. Adidas, El Bartos are stained a little bit, but it's okay. I'll fix them. We hit the light so we can get a better look. Guys, please inspect your shoes when you get them. A lot of people are bringing in shoes. They're like, they never. Whoa. Sorry to stop saying what I'm saying, but this shoe has the weirdest bottom I ever seen. I don't know if you guys can see it, but each one of these little pieces on the bottom is on a different level on each one of these hectagons. That's the weirdest shoe bottom ever. But a lot of people keep coming to me saying their shoes are dirty or damaged before they even ever get to wear them. And I say, when you get the opportunity to look at them at the sneaker store, make sure you thoroughly search the shoe over, and if there's anything about the shoe that you don't like while you're at the store, make sure you handle it right there, whether it's my store or somebody else's store. Don't wait till you get home and then try to come back, because people will never believe you. You don't want to strain your relationships, mess up your shoe game, but it's business for me, because there's more shoe cleaning. The Ozone shoe cleaners are back. Our customizers are back. So you guys make sure you stay tuned. We're going to be teaching you guys a lot of tips and tricks. So forth and so on. It's a weird shoe. If anybody ever bought any Adidas Grand Courts and watched this video, let me know. I never owned a pair. It's a very weird shoe, especially this bottom. I can't wait to probably put them on. I wasn't going to ever wear this shoe. After looking at it, it does seem like it's a pretty good and relaxed shoe. I'm going to give you guys one more side view for the sake of me not jibber-jabbering and making this video too long. You guys remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see next. Stay safe out there. We're about to go through a crazy couple of weeks, but I heard they're going to take care of everybody. Probably give you guys another check or two. So just stay tuned. Keep the collection growing. You guys keep your collections growing and stay safe. Everybody fucking jump!